Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these twists. So they're called I think passion twists or either fluffy twists, but they're really gorgeous twists. And I know it's a lot of hair, but it's pretty. You can do multiple styles with it. It's really lightweight, although it looks like it's a lot of hair. Like, it's really lightweight. It's a great protective style that'll last pretty long. Yeah, and it's really easy to do. Doesn't take, well, mine took long because, like, look how many twists. And it's not crochet, it's a single parted. Like, I parted everything. No crochets in here, just parts and twists. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did the twist and what I used to do the twist. So the hair that I used is Yibu hair, and it's from Amazon. Let me see. So the hair is from Amazon, and they have different colors. They have of course black, 1B brown. They have the light browns. They have the red. It's like red and brown mix, but they have different colors you can choose from. I got 1B, and it comes with 4 packs like this. So it's 4 little packs of hair that comes in it. So it's, you know, they come like this. So for my hair, it took 2 packs, and then I just took like maybe a couple of strands out of another pack because it's so full and so thick. But normally you would probably just use 2 packs, so then you will have left over for, you know, the next install. So let me show you guys what the hair looks like. So it comes like this, and it looks really short, right? Because that's what I thought when I seen them, like 18 inches. Like, what am I gonna do with 18 inches? But no, don't be fooled. So it comes like this. This is the natural state of the hair here. So I'm just gonna take out 1 strand to show you guys. So this is that 1 strand, and it comes in natural state like this, which is 18 inches. And then it stretches out super duper, like super long. So like these are long as heck. Like, they're super long, but they have so much shrinkage. So if you wanted a longer length, you would just stretch the hair out more to get a longer length. You know what I mean? So it comes like this. And what you will do, I guess you could twist it like this, but 1 strand makes 2 twists. So you would just stretch the hair out to where it kind of fluffs out, because it's easier to separate. So you need it to be like this when you separate it. So you just stretch it out to where it's loosened. And you can also add a little bit of like a spray bottle with water or whatever to it to loosen it, so that when you do go to stretch it and pull it apart, it's much easier to pull apart. And this is 2 twists. So if you want bigger twists, then of course you can use 1 together or add multiple, whatever. But these are 1 twist separated, basically. That's the size of mine. And here you go. And so if you want it to be longer than mine, I only stretched a tad bit, but the longer you want it, the more you would stretch the hair. Like if you were doing individuals or cornrows or anything like that, you just keep stretching and stretching and stretching the hair. So this hair is nice and it's really soft. Like I said, if you don't fluff it right, that's the only time you will see a lot of tangling. Other than that, you don't have too much issues with tangling. But this hair is super curly, so I mean, if you do get some tangling, it's just natural. But you just have to make sure you separate it correctly, and that way you won't have a problem. So this is my first time doing these, so we will see how long they last. I'm hoping they last a month, and then I can just redo them. But I really like them. Like I said, they're really lightweight. You can you know, they're not tight at all. Like with individuals, normally individuals are super tight, but these ones are not tight at all. They're really loose, lightweight, manageable. You can do different styles with them, up, down, however you want to rock it, you know. That's why I like it, because it's very versatile and it's really cute. Like I said, I got it from Yibo. I will try to put a link to the Amazon in my description box. The hair was $29, so it's $29 for four little packs, and it only takes about 2 to you know, install a whole head. So I think that's really good and affordable. And it comes like super quick. I think I got my hair like the next day, so it doesn't take long at all. So if you guys would like to see how I got these twists, please stay tuned.